cow. Letter B, cow. That's good.
I don't want
The cow is?
I want
The cow is? What? Is it A, big and black? B, big and brown? Or C, little and white? The cow is?
Right.
You're also laughing, Isay.
Kasi yung picture kasi white talaga yung cow. Pero yung nakasulat, brown. The cow is brown. Tama siya. Bumurinig mo. Nakakawa, ba't brown yung nilagay? Yun o. The cow is brown. Pero yung picture white. Di ba tama?
Tawa siya. No, Isay also happy.
Sit down.
Diba yung lagi na lang inaantok pag oras ng klase?
The cow is... Sorry, ayun talaga yung nasa libro eh. The cow is big and brown.
Oh.